you have experience into the service now, so that it will
Sure.
more easy
Sure.
for me to understand the
Sure.
things.
Sure. Uh, I pretty much have about uh, 3 years, or I want to say 4 years of ITSM
Mm-hmm.
modules experience. So anything relating to um, incidents, requests, change, knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
service catalog, and that whole world, right? Um,
Mm-hmm.
HRSD is somewhat new. It's something uh, it looks like we looking to implement. So uh, obviously, that's kind of why I this piqued the interest for me to kind of show up to the demo and see what
Mm-hmm.
the class is about, and see if it's
Mm-hmm.
something that I'll be able to benefit from.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. Okay, so that's fine. Thank you so much for your uh, information. Prem, can you please unmute yourself and share your experience, what you have done in the past in service now? Or I think Prem is on mute. Okay, so I'm going to tell about how HRSD helping to the developer or the company, or you can say for any organization. Like this is very helpful. The application, the service now, as you know that there is many application the service now like ITSM, ITBM, and HRSD. And then if you go for the GRC, then there is a GRC module available for governance and compliance as well. Many other related to customer service management. And if you see, if you want to uh, do any kind of integration, there is the option available into the service now integration hub. So there is a wide platform nowadays. Initially it was a very limited scope over there, but now there is many of the application or major application available in service now, where we only need to explore those things and we can help out in the other organization. Okay, so into the service now, the most important thing is like how and where exactly we can use this HRSD into the into the service now. So as everyone know that initially the major application basically we used Workday, right? So I'm not saying this is a replacement of the Workday, but yeah, similar kind of application we have into the service now, so that in one go the customer can take a license, or you can say the organization can take a license into the service now, and then they can utilize the functionality which is available into the service now. It's not required to buy any other tool. Okay, so for this there is we need to enable the plugin for HRSD. And this is a scoped application. Basically it's not coming into uh, the global application, so this required to purchase and then use this module. Okay, so what is the main goal of that? So the goal of HR case management is provide information or process of an HR request for the employee, associate, or contract quickly as possible. So initially, it was not introduced. Then how the HR team is like working? They are all the information capturing into the Excel document, okay, and then sending email to the employee and tracking all those things back and forth, you can say, whatever email coming, so they are tracking in the seat, and then it's very difficult to track those things and share those information to the team or higher management as well, what like they have done for this. So now into the service now, when introduce it, actually given the wide platform where for the document management related thing and the case management, so all these things are available here into the service now. It's not required to go anywhere. Just you can initiate the onboarding, and also there is option where we can offboarding of the user as well. So between all this process we want to manage into the service now, in this application we have. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how this is available into the service now, and that will more helpful for you, and what is the basic thing is required. Okay, any question as of now, like the pace is okay, or do you want to make slow or fast?
No, no question on my end for now.
Okay, okay. So let me open my developer instance. Mm, okay, so I open that. So let me share my screen now. Mhm. Shubhu, can you give me the permission to share my screen? Prem, can you, if you can give the permission, I don't have to share. Let me check that if anyone hears. Shubhu. Yeah, so I requested Shibu to give me access to share my screen. So I can see Lalita. Lalit joined. So Lalit, can you introduce yourself? Sorry, I didn't
So,
notice.
yeah, I just joined sneakily. Uh, my name is Lalit, and I'm pretty new to the whole ServiceNow ecosystem, right? I just
Mm-hmm.
started reading about the ServiceNow admin part, and then thought I should just get my hands on some kind of module. Just trying to switch my careers over here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and before that, do you have any IT experience, like any other development, or you just started in the
Not
service
really
now?
IT. Yeah, a little bit of no ServiceNow experience, but a little bit of IT experience. For sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, no issue. Yeah, so actually today we are discussing about HRSD. So it's related to human or resource related, the application. So how it's managing into the service now, and what are component available into the service now. So basically this is in and out option, initially the people, most of the people using the Workday. So like the company is very difficult to manage in a multiple application for the different kind of work. So ServiceNow introduce this application, HRSD, where you can manage all the employee related stuff, like the payment related, or you can say the salary, and all those, like offboarding, onboarding of the request, if there is any document or like offer letter you want to release or something. So all those things you can do via this application in the service now. Initially it was not, it was only ITSM and a few models, but yeah, last 4 to 5 years it introduces here into the service now.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Uh, I'm not able to see. Hmm, Actually, I don't have permission to share my screen. I'm just requested to Subbu if he can provide me. Okay, now let me see if I can present. Mhm. Lalit Harris, can you message to, so maybe it's not responding somehow. Can you message to give me the access to
Yep.
share a screen?
Does Subbu's cell phone number end with 3105? I can also WhatsApp him.
Sorry to for interruption. Like I was on the call along with the Subbu. So he told me you can just log out and log in again, then it work. So let me log out first and then again joining. Okay. Sorry for that. Yeah. Hi everyone, I join again. So yes, so go ahead with and give me the permission. This is called IT interruption. as as a part of the incident management, you can also consider as a running system, and we are getting some issue over there. Like I'm not able to see the presenter things, and Subbu trying to give me. Mm. everyone. So is it my screen visible now to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Sue, for your effort. So I can show you here, like you can see I have installed the plugin for HRSD. Okay, and this is the ServiceNow platform. So just I want to give some ends up like how this is working. So this is our the content window where all the content will be display here. So this is for Lalit. Actually, this is because he is new into the system. So just explaining to Lalit. So Lalit, this is the window where all the content will display, and this is the search bar actually, and where you can search all the application which is existing to the service now, and this is menu you can say, or the header part you can say. So three component basically under this. So I'm just going to give some more information. So before going to start into the HRSD, what exactly the plugin is required and which plugin you need to install. So for this, if you come here and go to the plugins, so plugin is what to everyone. If you want to use any of the application into the service now, okay, so service now given functionality, or you can say the application where you can use some ready-made the application instead of creating new. It's already inbuilt things they are giving, and on top of that you need to do some customization. So best part is we are at least base is ready, okay, and even like they have prepared the content, or they are given the facility into the service now where whole world like working the similar the fashion actually. So it's most of the things we can utilize out of box because it's given. If still you need to some do some customization in the service now, or the new requirement coming from customer which is not relevant, or it's not here into our system, maybe it's dependent to the process to process, okay. So in that condition only you can do the customization. So before doing customization you need to make it a gap analysis between two application, or what is existing into the organization and what we have into the service now. And then once you confirm, like maybe some meaning information will be different, but yeah, the thing is we need to compare, and if already exists then you can use it, okay, otherwise we need to create. So for this, I'm going to show you there is one under the system definition, we have a plugin, the information. So in the plugin, what you need to do, just search here human resource or HRSD something, okay. So just I'm putting here human, and you can see whole uh, related to this wording actually it will be display here into the search. So you can see, so human resource is available here, and this is a name integrated with the workday learning content, okay. This is for finance related thing. So many of the application relevant of this, but which one is like core we need to install. So already I have installed, this is the reason it's not showing here, okay. But yeah, I'm just going to paste you the uh, what is the name of the plugin you need to install, so that going forward whenever you want to do in your system, at least you can do it. So I'm putting into the chat, this is the name of the plugin, okay, human resource scoped app core, okay. So I have already installed, and in future if you need you can also install this one. So this is performance analytics things, content pack also you can say. So if you're not able to take any performance related uh, uh, plugin, or not purchase, in that case content pack will work. and it will provide most of the features which is the part of performance analytics. Okay, so this is the reporting part actually. So now going to back here into the service now. So we have HRSD. So already I told install here. So into the service now, if you see here, what we have, HR case management. Okay, so initially what you learn into the ITSM, there is the incident, problem, change, all this. But here we have case. Okay, so case basically how this is working. So before creating any case into the service now, how we can convert user into the profile. Okay, like into the service now, there is something different, the user related things, like as we know that there is one table and the name is sys underscore user, where all the user will be there. Okay, but those user can we consider as an employee? Okay, no, we can't consider as employee, because maybe, let's take example, if you are a customer of the SDFC bank. Okay, so of course your account will be there. Okay, but some of the user already who are walking into the that bank. Okay, they are the employee and they can view your all profile, or they can manage your profile, so they are employee. Okay, but we are not employee, we are a customer of that. Okay, so in that case our user information and the employee information are placed in the same way. But the thing is, how we can differentiate, we need, for this we need to make it a profile as an employee into the service now, and that will be as a consider into the HRSD. So basically this information or HR application only used for the employee, not for the all users. Okay, if you want to make it to use of that user, then you need to make it profile first, and then you can create here, or you can use it here. Okay, any question as of now from anyone on that?
If you can, are you able to kind of click on the installed tab just so we take a visual look at that?
Install, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, no. Stay right there. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
See, yeah, right there where it says install five records.
Oh, yeah, this one. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you can see I install actually, and some of still,
Okay. Okay.
uh, you know, these are the up to date. Yesterday, actually, I
Gotcha.
install all this. So basically, I install only this one, common resources
Okay.
for one, and
Okay.
based on that signature pad or this one, all integrated here. Okay.
Okay.
So
Sounds
what application? Yeah, thank you so much for that. So what application basically we have into the HRSD, and what other information we have? I'm showing you here what services provided by in this application. Uh, mhm. Just Mhm. Okay. So before going to in detail into the HRSD, we need to discuss about COE configuration. Okay. So COE configuration, it means what? You can see some of already enabled. Okay, like HR payroll case, HR talent management case, HR total reward case, and this. And some of already is disabled. So why this is like showing in this way? If because of this application is enabled into the service now, and for this is not enabled. Okay, maybe other application also you can enable, but how you can do that? The first criteria. So first criteria is before going to enable like HR benefit case, HR uh, compensation case, or global mobility, some mobility case. So before that, going to do what is the basic things required. Okay, so here you can see some of life cycle we need to follow into the service now. Okay, so before that we need to create a the service. Okay, under the service you need to create a category, and then this will be enabled here. Okay, so if you go here into the service, there is hmm. So if you go here, you can see the service, HR service. Okay, so category, let me open it. I think this data is not loaded. Let me load it data first here. So when you're going to install any plugin into the service now, make sure for the revision purpose, you can also say we need to install the demo data so that it will more easier for to run the flow. Okay, so let me repair that. So you can see we have option available to repair or load data. So if something is not working, because maybe it's happened due to the this is the demo one. So maybe the this like the application, maybe you need to sometime or repair if some of the functionality is not showing here, or maybe it's not working as expected. So you can repair it from here. And then also if there is not loaded, then you can load the data. If you want to roll back all those changes, then you can do it from here. So this three option is main important. Okay, so let me load the data first. It's take some time. uh, so Haris, I believe you worked earlier to enabling the plugin, right?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Great. So Lalit, for you know, like how you can enable or repair or load the data or the rollback. So all these option available here. Initially, it was not, you know, like in the similar way. There was some different window, but nowadays, due to the platform changes, or you can say the new functionality, they have, given this window. Earlier, it was not like that simple, the window where you need to install, go and install that.
Got it. Thank you.
So this will very helpful if you're going to create any the flow or something, because the data is available, so it's more easy to run your flow. So do you know how the for Lalit, do you know how to create a instance for the service now, developer
Yeah, I
instance?
mean, yes, I
Okay.
have it created.
Okay, then you can, you know, like install this the plugin, and then, you know, try from your end first, like how this
Sure.
is the working. So let me open one of the record which is exist in the service now. Okay. So as I mentioned, like what is a core component into the service now for HRSD? So for the HRSD, there is a HR service. Okay, this is the important thing. So before going to create any HR cases, this is the important. Okay, and how this is working. Like if you see the employment verification later. Okay, this is part of the service. This service is configured under one of the category. Okay, so let me go back here. So it's complete flow, you can see here. So under this services, you can see this is a topic detail and this is the category. Okay, and is coming under the HR work force administration case. So this will be enabled in the configuration. Okay, so how you can check that? If you go here, configuration, COE configuration. Okay, and I'm going to put here the same. You can see this one is enabled, right? So the flow is first create service. Okay, the flow is where is the okay, first create the service, and then topic detail, and then HR category. Okay, topic category. So I'm going to create one of which is here into the system. So let me go for the COE. So I'm going to create for this HR benefit case. Okay, so I'm going here into the service, HR service. Let me open it from. So this is our table name, HR SNHR core underscore service. So if you see here, for the scoped application, it will come in this way, like SN or maybe some other prefix as well. But yeah, for this one will be SN underscore HR underscore core. Okay, so HR core is our main table, or you can say the parent table for all, and after that is services. Okay, same for it will be the case if you are going to create any the case against any of the user, then you can see here the case as well. I'll show you how this is. First, let me create the new COE. So I'm going here into this table list, create new. I'm going to give the service name. So service name is like HR benefit case 1. Okay. Value automatically showing here. Topic detail, you can select any of this. So before that, before going to create, you can see there is asking about the topic detail. So topic detail is not configured for for our benefit one. Okay. So before creating service, what is dependency? Topic detail. Okay. So first thing is, before creating any service, okay, need to create a topic detail. Okay. So I'm going here into the topic detail. I'm just skipping the same window. Topic detail. Okay. So I'm coming here in the topic detail. I'm going to create the new topic detail. So topic is HR benefit. Okay. Let me take it from here. HR benefit. And for this, under which category we want to do. Okay. So again, you can see other dependency is on the topic category. Okay. So topic category I can select from here, or you can create it the new because not exist. Okay. So I'm going to create a new, under which COE you want to do. Okay. So HR benefits, HR benefit case. Okay. And then I'm going to give here HR benefit category, submit it. Then detail, like topic detail is here already I given. Let me put some unique topic, submit it. Now if you go here back to this, you can see whatever we created, it will be display here, HR benefit topic. Okay. So once you create this services, okay, then you can see in the COE. So at this moment, this one is not enable. So what you can do, you can just come here, you can put here open for who will be the approver. So you can put some user, default open for our opener, subject to person also you can choose here. So I'm just putting the same, and then we don't have any other mandatory checklist. So just save this record. If you go here and refresh this page, you can see this one is enabled now. So against this HR benefit case, you can create any of the cases, similar way to you can do for others as well. Okay. And if you're not going to create any service or the topic category, then it won't be appear here. Okay. So this is the way where we can configure new COE. Okay. So this is our first part actually. So most of the thing is given, how to create a HR payroll case or talent management case, HR reward case. But yeah, for other things you want to enable, or you want to new custom COE which is not exist into the service now, then also you can create it. Any question as of now from anyone?
I guess my question, well, as of this point, is
Mhm.
most of the configuration, are they, how is users interacting with the system? Is it through like this platform view, or
There is
is there
two
a
way
portal they
directly.
use?
Yeah,
Hmm,
so there is two way. One is portal.
okay,
So there is separate HR portal, and another way is from the native view. So two way for the interaction. And also like in some cases, if you want to enable the email configuration, like inbound email configuration, if like company is giving or allowing to configure to create any case via inbound email action, okay, then also you can do it. But yeah, primarily will be like the portal and the native view. Any other
okay.
question from
Thank
anyone? Okay, so this is I'm just stopping for now. But yeah, tomorrow what I'll like when you people again want to connect for this session, because today is only 1 hour session, so just I given information about how HRSD, like you can install, or what is a basic thing need to configure into the service now, like for the services, the topic detail category and the COE. So we only discuss this part. Okay, but yeah, how this is work in the service now, so we need to like do some other session as well. Okay, so when you people again we are going to connect
I'm pretty
any
open.
okay, in the same time, or you want to?
Yeah, that same time is fine with me.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. And
And
what about you? Yeah, you have question with something.
yeah, so the question I have, can we know the curriculum? We know that this is the module.
Ye-
Is
ye-
that a possibility to say, share that?
Yeah. I'll prepare it. It was initially I prepared, but it's outdated now. So I'll prepare the new one and then share the content so that we can, like understand what exactly the flow and what topic we are going in the next. Okay, so that will be more
Perfect.
helpful for us as well. But yeah, this is only for just demo, like what exactly we are going to do into the service now. But yeah, from tomorrow onward, I'll first present, the topic, and we will go by the topic wise actually, instead of random things. Okay. Harris, do you have any question on that?
No, I think that covers it. It would be good to see the curriculum. So we, that helps. That helps
Mm-hmm.
prepare. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, thank you
I'll,
so
uh,
much.
yeah, thank you. I'll prepare it and then we'll share with you. So same time again we can connect, on the tomorrow, and I'll update the same information to Subbu as well. Meanwhile, for tomorrow, you can just install the plugin if you have your developer instance, and then explore the topic atlas, and then like we can process further. Okay.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you so much, guys.
thank you. Thanks.